What is up, everyone? It's been a long time since I made a video. In this one, I'm just gonna show a machine learning model which is gonna predict some diamond prices. Where I get most of my information from or teachings from is this guy. His name is Harrison. He has a channel called Centex, Sentiment Index. He has data analysis videos, machine learning videos. So I used one of his tutorial to make this model to predict the diamond prices. He also does his I just tweaked it a little bit, and I just want to go through how it works. So in here we have our file of the diamond prices. It has the carat, the cut, the color, the clarity, the depth, and then the price. Now the goal for this machine learning model is to predict the price of the diamond if you feed it the table, the depth, the clarity, the color, and the cut, and the carat, and also maybe these properties as well. I think we also include X, Y, and Z. And the I don't claim to be an expert in machine learning at all, but what I've learned is that if you want to predict prices with machine learning, you don't have to be an expert in diamonds. I also have one on housing prices, a machine learning model for housing prices. You don't have to be an expert to predict the housing prices. You just need to feed the machine the inputs, and then the machine will predict it by itself according to the input that you give it. So it takes all of these features and then it takes the features, it matches it with a price. So if you don't have the price, you can just give it the features, and that based on that info it will give the price. I hope I made that clear enough. Let's go a look at how this all works. Now over here is the code for this machine learning model. I'm not going to go in depth with in regards to the coding. All I wanted to stress, or all I wanted to show, or what I want to make clear is that for our cut, our clarity, and our color, we have strings, we have text. Now if you do a machine learning model, they don't work with text, they work with integers or floats. So what you need to do is you need to convert this into a integer or to a float first. Basically you need to convert the text to a number, and this is what we're doing here. We're just converting the text to a number with a dictionary. Program language is Python. If you're familiar with it, then you would know what I'm talking about. Alright, and then we are shuffling our data so that the data is different every time we use it. And then here what we want to do is we want to make sure that our R squared is more than 99%, and then predict the prices. If it's lower than that, we don't want it to predict the prices, because then the prices will be relatively off. But if it's 99% sure, if it has an accuracy of 99%, then we want the model to predict the prices. Let's go ahead and run this and see what we get. Okay, so now on our second test we got 99%, which is actually good. Here it predicted the prices accurately. Here it's a bit off. Here it's also a bit off, but it's relatively in the range. I mean, here you can say it's far apart, but that's maybe not even a 10% difference. That's maybe a 7 or so % difference. Here it predicted the price exactly the same again. So yeah, and here we can compare. We can go on this line, 7,058. Let's go over there and check. Find 7,058. 058. There we go. The price there is 579. 579. That's the price. Where's this now? Just a few rows down. 82. 82, there we are. 4163. 4163. 4163, it predicted 4242, so not that far out. So this model is fairly accurate. Like I said, you don't need to be an expert to predict the prices of diamonds. If you feed the machine the inputs, then the machine will do it for you. I also have prices for NHL salaries, National Hockey League salaries, and for housing prices. I know what some of you are thinking: stock market, forex. You can do that, but it's fairly not recommended, because cut, clarity, carat, these are fundamental things that go into the diamond. Just like with housing, also you get the square meters, you get the type of earth it is. These are fundamental things. With forex, it's mainly just indicators and trends. That's not really fundamentals. I'm not an expert. Some people might argue with me over that, but it has proven that machine learning for forex is not that accurate, because predicting past trends, using past trends to predict future trends is not the way to go, because there's no fundamentals behind it. It's just indicators and trends. Alright, so yeah, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. That's all for now. Like I said, mostly I use this guy. His name is Harrison. He has a channel called Sentex, but there are other people that also do machine learning. So yeah, any questions, any comments, any concerns, feel free to reach out, and I'll see you in the next video.